Use tightly woven, low-pile, lint-free microfiber towels for the best upholstery cleaning results. Choose towels labeled as professional or high density with a pile height under 5 millimeters for optimal dirt capture and minimal residue. Look for a blend of 80% polyester and 20% polyamide because that balance holds moisture and traps soils without abrasion. Select larger towel sizes, like 16 by 24 inches, so you can fold them and always work with a clean surface, which improves pickup and reduces streaking. Reserve a specific color or set of towels solely for upholstery work to avoid transferring cleaning chemicals or grit to other surfaces. After each use, wash towels in warm water with a mild detergent and no fabric softener, and dry on low heat or air dry to preserve fiber integrity. Replace towels that shed, have permanent stains, or feel stiff, because worn fibers will reduce effectiveness and can leave lint on fabrics. Common mistakes include using plush, high-pile towels that trap dirt on the surface rather than extracting it, which leads to visible lint and uneven cleaning. Fix this by switching to low-pile, high-density towels and folding them so you always use a clean section. Another issue is cross-contamination from using the same towels for floors, kitchens, or bathrooms, which transfers oils and grit to upholstery. Solve this by designating and labeling a set of towels just for upholstery and storing them separately. A third problem is improper laundering, for example using fabric softener or high heat, that clogs fibers and reduces absorbency. Launder in warm water with a mild detergent, skip softeners, and either tumble dry on low or air dry, then inspect and replace towels that have lost performance. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and locate the right tools and materials for upholstery and other projects. We host a discussion community where members share first-hand experiences, product recommendations, and practical tips, and we help contractors find work by giving them visibility to homeowners looking for services.